Welcome to GitHub Universe.
There is nothing like being at Universe in person and seeing all of the developers, all of the customers, everybody come together to celebrate what it is to build on GitHub.
This year, we added one developer every single second.
It's great to be back. It's always good to get great swag, by the way.
GitHub Universe. Yeah, it's so cool.
Gotta come play bingo, baby.
This year has been so fun showing me what they're building. They're hacking their badge.
It's basically a mini computer.
We've always been the home for developers. Now we're adding agents, with developers and agents working together in Agent HQ.
AI agents.
Today, we're experiencing the full power of AI, and it just keeps getting better.
We're thrilled to be working with GitHub to bring the power of Codex to all of you.
The place where creativity meets real-world impact.
Dream it in the morning, build it in the afternoon.
Unblock the path so you can build what's next.
The energy level of being here with the community, with our team, is really super special.
You have to be here if I'm going to be part of the future.
GitHub Universe. They always get better every year.
You definitely want to be back next year, October 28th and 29th, here at Fort Mason Center for GitHub Universe 2026.
Happy coding, Universe.